Morning. My name is Graham Leigh, which at the moment is completely irrelevant. I thought what we do today is we take a little trip down President Street to show you the progress that's been made with our pothole repair program, and it's a bit of an adventure. It's going to be like driving on the far side of the moon, which is yet to be viable. Unfortunately, I don't have a 4x4 vehicle or a tractor, so I'm going to have to watch my P's and Q's with this one. But let's do our little trip, and I will show you just what a road shouldn't be like. Are we ready? Let's do this. Okay, we are now travelling down President Street from Vryheid Street, which is in a southerly direction, and I'm going to have to concentrate very carefully on these small little hikes that we've got here on the road. At the moment the road is reasonable, but just reasonable, not with a capital R, but with a small r. We're now coming past the intersection of President and Small Street. Oh look, there's a hole in the road. Okay, most of the water's been taken out of that one. There's a couple more here. But now you can imagine somebody coming down here on a motorbike, for example, that is unaware that this road is like this. It's only the local residents who realise just what a fiasco this is going to turn out to be. Right, we're coming up now to the intersection of Commissy and President, which we will stop, because this is a stop for me. And yeah, no, that looks good. Okay, fine. Now we cruise down. Good morning. Okay, so far the road is looking good, isn't it? Like any other road you'd expect to find anywhere else in the country. Pretty reasonable. And in the distance we can see a little bit of that. Okay, that's reasonable on that one. Okay, these are minor craters. There's a heavy vehicle. What are you doing in town, Butcher? Okay, this is the area they resurfaced with block bricks, which so far is held together. But now we have to play dodgems. Those of you that remember the old dodgems, you've got to just dodge them around that one. I'm actually going to drive over one so you can experience what it is like. And I'm not going to do it quickly, but I will drive slowly over one of the more prolific potholes. We're just going to now be crossing Kirk or Church Street and President Street, where at the moment things are still reasonable. This is nothing yet, folks. Stay tuned. Do not stray nor go away. The adventure is about to begin. We are now going across Mark Street and President into no man's land. Now, yeah, this is interesting. I'm going to go through one of these potholes, and that is the kind of effect that you get. That's just one. And I'm not going to go through any more because I value my vehicle. But this is now a serious situation. Now these potholes have been filled before, but with sand, which is brilliant if it doesn't rain. And after about 4 cars have ridden over them, you're back to square one again. The potholes get worse every time you drive over them. They become craters. And if you have a powerful enough telescope, I'm pretty sure that the moon does a better job with its craters than what we do. I'm absolutely convinced of it. This road is like an ironing board with a face. It's absolutely incredible. Dodge on that one. You actually don't know because it is oncoming traffic. You have to be very careful. I mean, look at this. No, not her, the road. Oh, word. Yeah. These minor little things end up into big ones. Oh, there's a big one there. There's a big one. What I'm going to do, I'm only doing about turn here. I'm going to do a U-turn in this road. Legally. Because I want to show you something. I want to show you what a pothole really looks like. One of our better ones. Come check this out. Follow me. Follow me. I'm going to check something now. Now, I'm in the left-hand lane. Imagine now a lot of traffic coming down the other side where I cannot swerve or go anywhere. Put my hazards on. In front of us here, we have a crater. It's not a pothole, that is a crater. If that thing gets any deeper, it's going to end up in Australia. Oh, that's bad. My word. Yeah, dodgems. My goodness gracious. Okay, I'm going to do an about turn here. And we will continue down President. Let's make sure the traffic allows us to turn. Yes, it does. Thank you, traffic. Nothing illegal about this. Everybody does it. Now, we go back down where we came from. I mean, this is serious stuff. This is like real fun. The adventure of a lifetime. I wouldn't even come down here on a bicycle. Even walking, I think, would be a bit dangerous. But this thing overtaking, that is what you need. You need a bucky. Okay, well, don't bother about stopping, it's fine. But anyway, you need a bucky or you need a tractor. And it's got to a stage now where things are serious. Okay, it kind of tames out a bit down here. But they are still... okay, these are small ones which will end up being big ones if they aren't sorted out in time. There are places here where you can see repair work has been done previously, but I'm afraid it's falling apart again. Now here's some whoppers. Hey, here are some big ones for you. Oh, my word. Now this is embarrassing. You imagine anybody not living here coming up here and they'll think, well, what on earth is going on here? Okay, we're now coming up to the intersection of South and President. Now we have a decision to go left, right, or straight.